हाय मरियम, ये रूमी के लिए कुछ टॉडलर की क्विज बनानी है विच इज़ स्लाइटली डिफरेंट. सो आई वांट टू शो यू हाउ इट वर्क्स.
Which one starts with a? Ant or dog?
तो जब क्विज लोड होती है तो रूमी का क्वेश्चन आता है ऑडियो में. एंड देन इफ द चाइल्ड मेक्स अ मिस्टेक, फॉर एग्जांपल इंस्टेड ऑफ एंट दे क्लिक डॉग,
Ant begins with a.
तो फीडबैक आता है इन द फॉर्म ऑफ अ स्पेसिफिक फीडबैक फॉर दैट क्वेश्चन. और अगर जो है वो सही
Which one
करता है
starts with a? Ant or dog?
तो यूजुअल करेक्ट आंसर का रिस्पॉन्स आता है. तो ये क्विजेज बननी है फॉर ऑल द लेटर्स. तो इसके लिए हमने जो है एक पावर पॉइंट बनाया है विच इज़ इन योर फोल्डर. सो इसमें जो ये सारी चीज़ें बैकग्राउंड में है ये एवरीथिंग. सो फॉर एग्जांपल इफ़ यू look at the background, everything other than this letter here is the background, so you can't play around with this is fixed. That basically helps you in putting the picture. So all you have to do is put the pictures, and for pictures I'm going to give you this PowerPoint which Anam has made, so you can just take the pictures from here. Okay, we are using only the pictures which are shown in this PowerPoint. So that is what I did. I picked up ant and dog, cat and abacus, and so on. And once I put it in here, I can take a basically slideshow and then take a screenshot, and then I go to the quiz and I put it here, and then I mark the correct answer. अब इसके बाद जो चेंज है वो ये है कि इसमें साउंड इफेक्ट बहुत सारे हैं ना. तो फॉर एग्जांपल ये कैट है, कैट और एबेकस है, राइट. तो इसमें सबसे पहले तो हमको क्वेश्चन डालना होगा. तो जो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है वो थोड़ा इलेबोरेट है, लाइक which one of these begin with a? ant और dog. लेकिन दूसरे क्वेश्चन से फिर सिर्फ ये होगा कैट और एबेकस, एप्पल और फॉक्स, इस टाइप से होगा. तो लेट्स पुट द साउंड इन दिस. सो फॉर पुटिंग द साउंड यू कैन गो हियर एंड यू कैन पिक अप देयर इज अ फाइल कॉल्ड क्वेश्चंस ए. तो इसमें जितने ए के क्वेश्चन है वो इसमें होंगे. यू पिक दैट अप. इट्स अ सिंगल फाइल. So when you open this, you will have all the questions. So you're going to skip the first one.
Which one starts with a? Ant or dog? Cat or abacus?
Yes, so this is the one I want. So I'm going to remove everything after that. And I'm going to remove everything before that.
Cat or abacus?
Okay, so this looks good. I'm going to put this here. And then for the incorrect answer, correct answer is okay. Correct answer will be that ting sound. For the incorrect answer, you have to again change. So this time you are going to say answers, because you have to give the right answer if the child is making a mistake. And then here you will have to edit again because there are too many of them.
Ant begins with a.
So this I don't want.
Abacus begins with a.
This is the one I want. So I'm going to delete everything after that. And everything before that. And this is the piece.
Abacus begins with a.
Okay, so I save it. And now let's take a look at how this thing actually pans out.
Which one starts with a? Ant or dog? Ant begins with a. Cat or abacus? Abacus begins with a. Which one starts with a? Ant or...
Okay, so this is good. So basically you are going to work on this press. So make the presentation. You may have to resize the image. तो जैसे मैंने बनाया है, मतलब कहीं पे छोटा कर दिया इमेज को, कहीं बड़ा कर दिया, but I mean you can get some guidance on this. Everything else is background, so I'm only playing around with this and the letter here. Okay, for letter also I have given you, for example B में जो है वो थोड़ा ऊपर आएगा, and a letter like P will look like this. A will be in center. So I think you have everything very standardized in this. All you have to do is put the right images and then pick up the right sound snippet to complete the quizzes. So A का जो है वो complete कर देना. I think there's only couple of them left, yeah. And then you can move on to B. और जो files आएंगी वो same naming convention से आएंगी. So you will have, for example, here you have answers A, which will be in the response of incorrect response from the child, or questions A will have questions. The first one will be elaborate question, like which one of this begins with this. All the other ones will be just naming the two objects. तो जब तुम्हें questions b.mp3 आ जाएगा तो you will know what Rumi is looking for. कौन सा ऑब्जेक्ट पहले है, कौन सा ऑब्जेक्ट बाद में है. तो उससे तुम्हारा सीक्वेंस काफ़ी अच्छा बन जाएगा. देन फॉर एग्जांपल अगर बी में रूमी बोलती हैं विच वन स्टार्ट्स विद बैट और गोट, तो बैट विल कम फर्स्ट एंड गोट विल बी सेकेंड. बेयर और हेलमेट, सो बेयर विल कम हियर, हेलमेट विल कम हियर, सो ऑन सो फोर्थ. So I don't have to give any instruction. Basically Rumi की जो voice होगी that will guide you to put which object on what slides, and yeah, that will be sufficient. So let's see how far Rumi can go today. She has a lot of classes today, but as soon as she starts putting the sound files here like questions and answers, then you can pick up those quizzes. Okay, thank you. Bye.